my channel. Today I'm back again with another room makeover video. So I'm working on my other boy's bedroom right now, and for those of you that new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. For all my return subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for your love. Everything that I use, I'm gonna leave them in the description box down below, so you can check it out if you guys want to. Don't forget to stay till the end of the video to see, oh my god, the room is breathtaking away. I promise you guys, you will be like happy just the way I am to see how the way the room turns out. I want to say a big thank you to my son Brian that helped me put everything together. Thank you so much, baby. You're gonna see him right now. He's so helpful, and I'm so grateful for my children. Thank you so much, Brian, for your help. Okay guys, I'm done with the room. Honestly, I really like what I did with the room, so I'm gonna call my son. I'm so excited. I hope you like it. All right guys, Angel, Angel, come in.
Wow.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm glad he likes it. And it's both of them like the bedroom. So that's my other boy bed. So he wasn't there at the time, so you'll get to meet him one day and very soon. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. So when it's dark, oh my god, you will see what I mean. So it's very, very beautiful, and you'll see. Wow, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Guys, let me know what you think. If you like it just the way I do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, okay? Bye.